Welcome to our Electrical Engineering YouTube channel. In this video, we will see an example on equivalent resistance. To download notes, you can visit this website link electrical-engineering.app. This website or app is especially designed for electrical and electronics engineering students. Question: find equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. Now here for this circuit, we have to determine its equivalent resistance. Solution: first of all, we will take this circuit. Now first we will simplify this circuit. Now here we can see this is a node. So let's say this is node 1 and here is also another node. Let's say this is node number 2. Now this node and this node is same. Also this node is same, that is this is also 2 and this is also 2, and here this is 1 and this is also 1. So now if we redraw this circuit, it will be like this. First we will take this 8 ohm as common. So let's copy it from here. Now here this is terminal, this is node number 1 and this is node number 2. Now what we will do? We will combine this. So this 2 and this 2. So here we can see this 1 is connected to this 8 ohm and this 8 ohm is connected to 2. That means this 8 ohm and this 8 ohm are connected in parallel. So let's draw one more resistor connected parallel to this 8 ohm. So it will be like this. So this is 8 ohm. Now this is completed and this is also completed. Now next this 8 ohm. Now here we can see it is connected to 1 and 2. So again we will connect a resistor between 1 and 2. So it will be like this. So this is also 8 ohm. Now next this is also completed now. Now only this 8 ohm is remain. Now this 8 ohm is connected between 1 and 2. So again let's connect this 8 ohm between terminal 1 and 2. That means we can connect it here like this. So this is also 8 ohm. So this resistor is also completed. Again we can verify this 8 ohm is connected between terminal 1 and terminal 2. It have two terminals, terminal 1 and terminal 2. So therefore this 8 ohm will connected between terminal 1 and 2. So there are total 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 resistors, and here also we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So all resistors are completed now. Now we can clearly see all the resistors are connected in parallel. So their equivalent resistance will be, now here we can see between terminal 1, at terminal 1 it is connected to B. So here we can write B, and at terminal 2 we can write A. So this is A. So both are same. If we take this A on left side, or if we take this B on right side, so both are same. Now we can easily find the value of RAB. Now since all the resistors are connected in parallel, so it will be 1 upon RAB is equal to 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8. Now since there are total 8 resistors, so that's why, and all the values are same, that is 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 8 ohm and 8 ohm. So therefore 1 upon RAB is equal to this much. Now let's simplify this. So it will be 1 upon RAB is equal to, let's solve this. 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 and plus 1/8. So it will be 1/2. Now if we take the reciprocal of this, we get RAB is equal to simply 2 ohm. So this is how we can find the value of RAB. Now since this circuit might look complicated, but all the resistors are connected in parallel. So by solving this circuit, we get RAB is equal to 2 ohm. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.